guys, it's me on Krista channel, and today we're gonna open it. And I accidentally opened it a little bit, but I haven't opened the whole thing yet. I just started opening. Okay, so how do you open this actually? I need scissors.
This is my first time I opened the Crystal opened the door with me.
Yeah.
Because she forced me.
No.
Guys, we are both tired.
Yeah, we are both super
We are
tired.
very hungry already.
Yeah.
But we don't want to open first the toys, so
Before
we
we
wait her to introduce her toys.
Yeah. Because I'm so excited.
It's a doctor bag. Doctor bag.
Stop! You're being so cringy.
I'm not crazy.
Cringy. I say
Hey,
cringy.
hey, I'm Christy.
And I give my medicine.
Medicine. Yeah. Medicine.
Ooh.
What's that?
I don't know. It's so cute.
I think it's a bed.
No, it's I think a handkerchief or something.
No, it's because it's a doctor bag, so means this is the, you know, the one if they take blood. It's a white bag.
Okay, time to open. Okay, so we got
The injection.
Whoa, this
Injection
is so
or
cool.
thermometer?
It's a injection. No, it's a thermometer. So cute. So if you press this thing, it will change. Like you see,
Thermometer. That one is thermometer.
it's so cute.
Oh, this one is the syringe.
Look,
Yeah, the thermometer. Push down and see.
see.
Push down and see. Yeah. You can see it's C
Beep,
or
boom, beep, boom, beep, boom, beep, boom, beep, boom, beep, boom, beep, boom. What's your temperature? Cold. You are very cold. You're very cold. Wait. So you're sick. Sick? Yeah. And now you're very warm. You're very warm. Wait, what are you?
Laughter is the best medicine.
Laughter is the best one.
So we need to laugh. Guys, laughter
Laughter
is the best medicine. That is the motto of some of the doctors say laughter is the best medicine.
Ooh.
Turn the unicorn horn to open the bag. Turn.
I
Still have
really?
the tape.
Really? You turn the unicorn
Yes,
on?
just say here.
Oh.
Turn the unicorn's horn to open the bag, and inside you will find the cutest doctor's assistants. So inside is the doctor assistant.
Still
Still have the tape.
you mean the rubber band? Can you help me?
No, I will not help you.
Why?
It's a challenge.
Okay.
Wait, it's very dangerous. Yes. Wait.
Ooh, the CD.
Because your scissor is not good, very sharp already.
And cut here lah.
Hey, it's open already.
Wait. Close it. Close it.
Don't have the cutest.
Because we haven't filled it in. We haven't filled it in.
Huh?
Because we need to make it fill in.
Oh.
Ayah. Do you see this damn Christy don't know anything one?
No, because she said turn the unicorn's horn to open the bag, and inside you will find the cutest doctor's assistant. So I'm gonna expect that inside have, but don't have.
And we
Means-
got more stickers.
Means the cutest assistant she mean is this one. This
Yeah.
one, the scissors, syringe, thermometer.
Oh
Okay, I will change my mind.
no. Okay, guys, now I'm alone. No, not really. Yeah. Hi, guys. It's Mommy on Crystal Channel. Okay.
Tell me the raw picture. What's so long line, eh?
How a thing?
Why you go so long line?
Because we bought boost.
Boost?
Yeah.
Who pay money?
Christine.
Christine treat you drink?
Yeah.
Then you drink
Because
what?
I drink the all berry bang. No.
You drink 1 cup?
No. I drink the small one.
Ah, not worth lah.
I need to take the.
Small one, where got worth? Small one.
Small one is worth.